A savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but a savage love. When